Today, I want to talk to you about the connection with the gods, with the angels, how to invoke a god, how to invoke an angel. Sometimes we have this question and we don't know. I tell you, the first thing you have to do is to study the characteristics of the angel, the characteristics of the god. What is the favorite color of the angel? What is the area of work of the angel? It's in the study, in the work, in the wishes, for woman, for man. This is the first thing, to see where the angel or God is, where the angel or God work, help. And then according to this, you know when and how, or you want to know how, when you can invoke the God. But this is how already you have a percentage, because you know which color is the favorite, which food is the favorite. If you put something like a yellow color, something like this yellow, a yellow color like this, and your angel is yellow, has yellow as a color, or in a perfume, mango, fruits, or something like this, odors also, and you make an environment. It is called altar in yellow, with a lot of yellow colors, with mangoes. To the Buddhas they do so, they do a lot of fruits to the Buddha. Buddha apparently they like fruits. But in general, you have to study specifically to the one you are searching for, which are the characteristics, which are the things that he likes or she, and where and how and all and everything about the God. Then you have to create this altar, this atmosphere. You are going to do it in your house, in the evening, or in the weekend. And you construct this, and you take advantage of this atmosphere to call upon this angel, upon this God, to help you in the area you want to be helped. And this is how it is done. It is done via altar, via an altar to construct with the specific things, colors, food, perfumes that are attached to this angel or God. This one way. Another way to invoke gods or angels are also the chakras. The body of chakras is very important, because we can have a certain god in a certain chakra. Thus, we can call a god and put the god inside our body, where in the chakra we are calling or we are needed to put it. For example, there is a mantra in the Indian mythology that calls a god to a specific chakra, and the mantra is Om. The name of the god, for example, let's take Krishna, the Indian god in the mythology is Krishna. Allah is for the Muslims, Krishna is for the Indian. Let's say Om Krishnaya Soham Namaha. Soham is the mantra for the chakra Ajna. Ajna is here, between the two eyebrows. This is the chakra, is in the center of the head. We have the two hemispheres, and between the two hemispheres of the brain, it's sits there, the center of the brain with the glands, the hypophysis gland, the pineal gland, the hypothalamus, the thalamus. So this center in the middle of the two hemispheres, this is the third eye. This is what it is called, the third eye, place, and that is the seat for the Ajna chakra. This Ajna chakra mounts to the top until the top of the head, and this is Sahasrara chakra. This is Sahasrara chakra. Then, if we want to invoke a god and put it in our head, either we put it at the top, we put it in the center of the head, or we can put it in the other chakras. The only thing we have to remember is the mantra Om. We invoke the god to the space via the Sahasrara chakra. Om. Om. And in the space, in the cosmos, we call the god. Om. God Krishnaya. Soham Namaha. Soham then calls the god Krishna into the Ajna chakra to be there, please. Namaha means salutation. For example, we want to put the god Krishna in our heart chakra. This is our heart and the heart chakra. How the mantra would be? Om God Krishnaya Jam Namaha. Jam is the mantra for the chakra Anahata, the chakra of the heart. If you want to put God Krishna in the chakra Muladhara, in the perineum, down in the G point, how the mantra would be? Om God Krishnaya Lam Namaha. Lam is the mantra for the chakra Muladhara. And always the name of the gods are followed by YA, this construction, Indian construction. For example, for the Buddha Shakyamuni, there is a mantra to invoke Buddha Shakyamuni. It is a Buddha that it is very well beloved in Japan. It has a lot of temples in Japan. The persons goes there, mainly man, to work and to do good deeds for the Buddha, for his own life to show and to improve as a person and to live and eat there, a kind of retirement. This Buddha Shakyamuni mantra is Om Muni Muni Mahamuni Shakyamuni Ya Soham Namaha. A little bit more difficult, but it is the same. Om Buddha Shakyamuni Ya Soham Namaha. Om Muni Muni Mahamuni Shakyamuni Ya Soham Namaha, because he is the Maha of the Munis, Buddha. Maha is like principal, the principal of the Munis. And this is the way we also have to invoke a god, a certain god. One thing very important in this method, if either we create a certain, you can put things like this or a candle. We can create a spectacular, but I will tell you something. It is very important when we want to connect with gods, with angels, the aspect of purification of our own soul, because it is not the same to communicate with other human beings, to try to communicate with gods or with angels. They have another body. They have like ethereal body. They are working in the divinity, in altruism, and we humans are a little bit more terrestrial, more from everyday, the food, this, the other things, and it is not the same. It is not compaginated the same. That's what we have to do in order to be able to be seen by the gods, by the angels. At the moment we need help, and we need help when we are sick, we need help when we have an exam, and we need concentration, we need illumination of our heads. At that moment we need the angel, the God. Then we want to call upon them. And how we do it? We create this atmosphere, we have the mantra, but there is something missing to be able to do the communication so transparent as possible, so successful as possible. And what it is? It is the purification of our soul. So we have to, for example, to take a douche, to take a bath with essential oils, with a douche gel, with odors. We do incense. We purify ourselves. We have to be clean. We put white clothes, or the color of the clothes that match with the angel or God. And also we can activate the chakras. We repeat all the mantras so that in the manner that the body of chakra, the body of the chakras we have are activated. Simply repeating the mantra for each of the 7 principal chakras will activate in 1 or 2 times that we repeat the mantras. We are preparing our body. We are already more prepared to accept and to communicate energetically with the angel or God. This is very, very important. This preparation before this focus and concentration and this purification, it is very important for the interrelation to happen, and the objective that we are searching, the help we are searching to really acquire that, to really get that from the angel via the ways they have, because they talk differently every time. The angel of God, we don't see them, we feel them, and we will continue invoking and feeling them via the light of the sun, via the wind, via the breeze of the wind, of the air, via the trees, with the odors of the flowers, of the lights of the sunflowers. Different manners and different energies that are from God that they use to communicate and to influence us for the help we are asking. Okay, thank you very much for your time, and this is what I wanted to share with you today about this spirituality and how we can put God in our hearts, in the chakra heart. But don't worry, the chakra heart is connected with the heart. The chakra heart governs the heart, and there is a connection. Be consistent, be constant. Repeat the mantra, and it will happen. It will go. It will go to your heart. It is not only at the level of the vertebral column, also horizontally. The chakras, they do action, they do influence. And we will put the gods everywhere in our body because we need it. And we go to the divinity, to the eternal life and everything. Okay, enjoy, success, and the best for you. Thank you for watching it. Till the next time. Bye.